If you're looking to learn how to get hotels for completely free, then you're going to want to make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end, because as you can see right here, I am in beautiful Eastern Washington, and I've been able to get all of my accommodations and all of my hotels here for completely free. I'm going to be teaching you the exact methods that I use in order for you to learn how to do the same, because for those of you who go ahead and subscribe to the channel and watch this video all the way to the very end, I actually have a secret surprise for those of you who go ahead and do that, so make sure you stick till the end for that. And as you guys can see, I have my phone on screen right here, and all you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure to click on the first link in the description and download this app called Hopper. Now, Hopper is actually this revolutionary new hotel and airline travel app, which allows you to get a bunch of coupons and get a bunch of near free flights for almost completely free. There's a bunch of hotel stays, and Hopper actually scours the entire internet looking for the cheapest hotels and flights for you guys. But if you guys do actually want to get a hotel and accommodations for completely free, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure to sign up with my link down below, which as you guys can see right here, if you sign up with my link down below, you will get 10% off any hotel that you could ever want, which is immediately going to be cutting a major part into how you get a hotel for completely free. And this is obviously an incredibly important step for how we get a hotel for completely free. So you're going to make sure to download Hopper down below. And then also when you're on Hopper, you're going to want to make sure to actually scour around the site a little bit. And what I would recommend is I would recommend going to this tab right here that says Deals. And as you can see that there is a bunch of deals right here for you guys that you can go ahead and pick up. So you can see that we can get $100 off flights to this place, we can get 15% off hotels in Scottsdale, we can get $65 off hotels in Philadelphia. So if you guys are planning on doing some kind of trip, I would highly recommend you go ahead and download Hopper. Make sure you use the link down below so you get a free 10% off as well. And then you go to the deals tab and make sure that you're checking up on these deals. If you guys go ahead and look at the deals right here, I guarantee you that you guys can get your flight for almost completely free, which is going to be an absolute steal for you. Now on this channel, I don't like to give you one method, I like to give you several methods. So next two methods are going to be involving the two other links down in the description down below. The first one is going to be downloading AttaPoll. Now AttaPoll is this revolutionary new survey app, and as you can see right here, I've already made almost $3 just getting on here and cashing out with AttaPoll. I've actually cashed out with AttaPoll before, and I've been able to make hundreds of dollars right here from AttaPoll super easy. And all you got to do is just go ahead and fill out these surveys. So as you can see right here, we have this 85-cent survey that isn't going to take me no more than 20 minutes. Now, normally what I like to do is when I'm sitting on the can, when I'm sitting on the John, I like to get on here and I just like to fill out these surveys because it's super easy to go ahead and do that, and you can make a ton of free, easy money when you go ahead and do that. And I've been able to cash out hundreds of dollars from AttaPoll just in the last couple of months that I've been using it, and I would highly recommend you guys download AttaPoll with my link down below, because if you do, you will get a free 50 cents upon sign up. So if you want to go ahead and be my friend and get a free 50 cents, like these 5 people right here, then I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and download AttaPoll with the link down below. And if AttaPoll's not enough for you, I actually have another survey app for you guys called Eureka. Now what I like doing is that I like combining Eureka and AttaPoll, because sometimes AttaPoll, as you can see, they don't have many surveys for you. So what I like to do is that I like to go on Eureka after I finish all the AttaPoll surveys, and then I just like to grind out a set of these. And as you can see on the top right here, I've made almost $42 from Eureka, which is an absolute steal. And if you guys aren't on this right now, then you are definitely losing the opportunity to make some free money. And another opportunity to go ahead and make some free money is to download with my link down below, because as you can see right here, I have over 60 people who went ahead and downloaded with my link down below, and they got a free 50 cents upon sign up and a $1 survey. And I don't recommend you guys do any surveys on here that aren't over $1. So as you can see, since you get a free $1 survey upon sign up, you'll be on your way to literally be able to be making hundreds of dollars with just these two apps. Now for our last and my personal favorite method is that I would recommend going back to Hopper, and I would recommend clicking this invite friends and earn $150. If you go ahead and share your code, you can earn up to $150. Basically how it works is that whenever you get a new user to sign up for Hopper, you get a free $15 off of your hotels. And the stack, which means that you can get literally dozens and dozens of new users to sign up, which is how I've been able to get these free hotels. And the best part is that you're scratching other people's back as well, because they get a 10% off discount from the hotels as well. On top of that, they have this 10K referral challenge, which basically means you can win up to $1,000 if you go ahead and get enough people to sign up for Hopper. Now, how I would recommend you getting people to sign up for Hopper, and what I've personally used, is I would recommend going to the next link down in the description, and I would recommend checking out my Discord. This is my Discord server, and on my Discord server, you're not going to find many Discords like this. We have an exclusive refer section on this Discord. That's actually what the point of the Discord is to come on here and engage with our over 1,500 members of the community, which you can go ahead and share each other's links super easy, which I know a lot of people have made a lot of money from just Temu referrals and social Oasis referrals, and you can very easily come in here and also do Hopper referrals. All you gotta do is that you gotta copy and paste your Hopper code, and then you just gotta type R4R Hopper. And then this is basically going to be your way of making a bunch of free easy money when you go ahead and get people to sign up for Hopper, because as I've said, we have 1,500 people in here who are looking to game the system as much as you are, and obviously you need a bunch of easy referrals if you go on here and engage with the community. And what R4R means is that you're doing a refer for refer. What this means is that when you refer them, they will refer you. So you're going to have to get in here and you're going to have to do a little bit of work, but if that's not really interesting to you, I would recommend checking out our premium self promo, which I have personally used to make thousands of dollars from Temu referrals. And as you can see right here, you can do @everyone's in here, and we have exclusive people in here who are doing premium share links. Now, however, premium share links is not available to most of the community, and the reason why is just because I don't want it cluttered. But if you guys want to go ahead and get access to it like Xzaiver's University, I am going to be teaching you how to get literally anything for free. You can check our vouchers section. You can see that there are a bunch of people in here who have made thousands and thousands of dollars. What we primarily offer is the premium share links, which this is how you guys are going to be able to add everyone to our over 1,500 members of the Discord, which all of them are looking to very easily game the system as much as you, and you're going to be able to add everyone to all 1,500 of these people, compared to the normal R4R where you're not able to add anybody, and obviously you're not going to get the attention of all 1,500 people who are currently in the Discord. On top of that, we have all of my Temu methods, which teach you how to get free stuff from Temu, how to get unlimited referrals from Temu using a bunch of different social accounts, and methods that don't even require you to have social accounts, which I have used to make thousands, and so have other members of Xzaiver's University. And I also have 40+ pages of completely free product methods. I'm going to teach you how to get free and discounted food. We have an in-house Amazon freebies bot, and I'm going to be teaching you how to get free gift cards, which my Temu methods and my product methods combined sell for over $200. So for the price of Xzaiver's University, it is a complete steal. So I would recommend going ahead and checking it out with the link down below. And for those of you who are paying attention to the runtime, you can see that we are approaching the end of the video. Now, obviously, I wasn't lying when I told you that we do have a secret surprise for you. For every 100 subscribers I get from this video, I will be doing a free $100 Cash App giveaway, which means that if I get 1,000 subscribers from this video, I will be doing 10 different Cash App giveaways to 10 different lucky people in the comments. All you have to do to enter is comment down below your cash tag, as well as obviously subscribing, so we can get as many of these giveaways going as possible. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you click on one of these right here, because I guarantee you it's going to be the solution that you need to be getting a bunch of free stuff online. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.